Custom Dynamics 5.7-inch LED halo headlamp going in. Pro Beam white halo, yellow amber turn signals going in. Pro Beam red turn signals for the back. Clear lenses and a Pro Beam red taillight. So the last video, if you guys didn't see, we just installed the Vance & Hines Big Shot staggered exhaust. Also an Arlen Ness Big Sucker air cleaner. I'm just waiting on the cover. It should actually be here today, any minute. Just waiting on that. And then tomorrow, I'm actually taking the bike to get tuned. But in this video, we're gonna be putting on all Custom Dynamics LED lighting. We're gonna get rid of all this halogen bulbs. I don't want it. The bike needs to be bright. You guys know. We're gonna be putting on some amazing Custom Dynamics bright lights. I'll show you guys how it looks. This is all plug and play, super simple. I think we're gonna tackle the headlamp first. Let me open up the box. We got a nice headlamp in chrome. This is gonna look so good. So it's a plug and play connector, 6,000 Kelvin color temperature polycarbonate lens, die-cast aluminum housing, DOT obviously, lifetime warranty. Really beautiful headlight. We're gonna get rid of this thing. It is not bright at all. So this is the new headlight. Beautiful. So like, let me turn the bars so you guys could see better. It's just not bright. Nor are these. I mean, you could like see the incandescent bulb in there. We're gonna get rid of all that. So first things first, I don't know if you guys ever installed Custom Dynamics products, but it's all plug and play. It is so simple to install, and it's just gonna change the entire look of the bike. So on my Road Glide, which is right there, I got the air conditioner on because it's pretty hot out today and sweating my you-know-what off all day, so I just wanna get cool a little bit. We're gonna be putting these on, and I'll show you guys. Once you remove the bulb, like literally these go in a flash. We got some nice clear lenses, so this way the light won't be impeded. I like the clear lenses. So with this setup, I'll show you guys how easy this is. You have the light, it's gonna be a white. See, these are the smoked ones. I don't want the smoked ones. I like the clear lenses. This is the light and this is the plug. It's basically the same as the plug at the end of the incandescent bulb, and you just basically put it in and twist. Use a screwdriver. That's what I like to use. And then before I do anything, I make sure they're working. And I'll show you guys they are working. So then you're gonna take this wire and just kind of turn it like that. That's what I do. Put it in, take the housing, put it over, and then just press the cover in place, like so. That looks really good. All right, one is in. Now I'm gonna grab the other one. It's super simple, guys. You guys could install all of this yourselves. You don't have to go to a shop. It's really simple. So I'm gonna do the same with the other one. Just put it in, twist it. I'll put the light on. Oh, that's bright. Love it. All good to go. All right, so check this out now. I gotta adjust this one down a little bit. You see how bright they are? Oh my God, really bright. But this is the thing, they're white. They're gonna be white with the headlight. But when you put a turn signal on, they're amber. That's what I love. Oh yeah, that looks dope. All right, now we're gonna tackle the headlamp. Oh my God, this headlamp is like from a 1950s truck. That's how old. That's the first thing you guys gotta do to your bikes. Like, this is useless. I always preach, you gotta be safe. Cars have to be able to see you. All right, so now we're gonna put the new headlight in. We're gonna take the collar that was on the bike. We're gonna place it behind the light, and that's gonna keep it from sinking into the headlamp housing. Then we could plug our light in. Whoa, Oh, you can't even look at it. Holy cow. Oh my God. Then we're gonna put it in. I'm done with the front. Now let's go to the back. So this way we could tackle the back. And you see how long this is taking, guys. It doesn't take long at all. And for the back, we have the same thing. We have clear lenses. So I'll knock these out first. Super simple, just pop that out. There's like a little slot in there. Just take a screwdriver and just pry it out. So these are gonna get the same lights, except they are red. You know, put them in, check them just to make sure. Always wanna check them, see? Because these sockets, you may think you got it in right, but it's the next slot. I'm gonna plug both of them in and then put the turn signals on. Oh my God, look how bright that is. All right, so these are both good. I thought it works with the brake as well, but it doesn't. They are just turn signals. So now we're just gonna put them in like so. So let me show you now. That is so bright. So you guys just seen that it was flashing a little fast because you need a signal stabilizer, which I have right here. We'll put it in a second. But first, let's tackle this tail light. So we're pretty much, we'll be done installing all the lights and then we'll be good to go. So there is 2 screws on this one. I'll show you the lights that are on my Road Glide in a second here, guys. We're gonna pop this out. 2 screws, one on the left, one on the right. And there we go. There's one plug here, right? You got one plug there. So now before we close that up, I just wanna make sure where this stabilizer goes. All right, so they do go under the seat. So I'm gonna keep going on with this installation. Have a little gasket right there. We're gonna plug that light in, tuck the wires in, and that's it. We're good to go. All of this is so easy, guys. All right, let's check it out. Oh, how nice. Look how bright that is. Now that is 1,000,000 times brighter. Oh, wow. Okay. So now, let's get up underneath the seat so we could install the signal stabilizer, and that's going to prevent that turn signal from flashing really fast like you just seen. So I gotta get a screwdriver here. I haven't even taken off this seat yet. I'll move you guys over here in a second so you guys could see better, see what I'm doing. Okay, is that a one piece? What's holding that down? Can't wait for my saddleman to arrive. All right, so I just have to plug this in line. I just have to find the one. I think it's this one. It's actually pretty clean. Looks like a new battery, pretty clean under here. I'm gonna take this off as well. So I don't need this. Just in the way, but I think it's this harness right here, if I'm not mistaken. Before we put anything together, let's give it a shot, see if it works, and of course it works. So before it was flashing fast, so that turn signal stabilizer, it's like a load stabilizer, because obviously we're going from incandescent to LED. So you see now it's flashing the appropriate speed, and the front turn signals, everything's flashing at the proper speed. Let's just check this one. Perfect. And once again, the brake and the back. Beautiful. We are good to go. One thing I am, like I said, I'm gonna remove that strap, because my saddleman seat is on its way, And I don't need that strap. It's just kind of annoying, gets in the way. I'm not gonna need this anyway. Then I'll button all this up. I think I'll leave that just for now. Yeah, there's like this protective film on here and stuff that they had. But one day I'm gonna, not today, but another day, I'm gonna take the bike out. It needs a good buff, good polish. It's really clean, but it still needs, it needs some TLC. So before we wrap this up, guys, let me just show you. There's my Road Glide, 24 Road Glide plus 2 suspension. We got the Bassani mid-length Road Rage exhaust. We got DNA Specialty Chrome Raider wheels, 21 up in the front. Got Thrashing Supply, everything, plus 2 suspension. Let me just throw on some lights. These are Custom Dynamics hinge lights, Custom Dynamics bag lights, Custom Dynamics curved license plate chrome holder with the license plate light. And then we got the filler panel lights. And when I turn on a right signal, you see why that's awesome? I got my hinge light going. People know what's happening. When they're on the side of me, I got my bag light going right there, and also my filler panel light. This bike is so bright in the back, and I love it because it just makes it a safe bike. So let me just give you guys a walk around now on this bike. Look at that. That looks so good. That looks so good. Look at that. Now it looks like a newer bike. Nice and safe. People will be able to see me. I'll be able to see the road. That is nice. Look how good that looks. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna button this up, make sure this is all tucked away nice and neat. I got a lot of room over here to put this. Fits perfectly down right in front of the battery. Then we're gonna put our seat on. I got a nice seat coming for this from Saddlemen. I can't wait for you guys to see it. We got the seat coming, we got the tune coming on the bike, and then we're gonna be just dressing it up. We're gonna be putting like different grips, mirrors, levers, foot pegs, passenger pegs, some more chrome bits. The last thing I'm gonna do on this bike is a set of bars. So if you guys, little homework for you guys, what bars do you guys think I should go with? I was looking at maybe a possible 12 or a 14-inch mini ape hanger, but let me know what you guys think. I would really appreciate it. Maybe you guys have this bike. My email is down below in the video description, so if you guys do have this bike or a regular 02, 03, 04, 05 Softail, send me a picture to my email and let me see what you guys have. I'm really curious. I would really appreciate it. We'll see you guys later. I am super tired. Been recording all day. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.